Hello mga kamatinik! How are you all doing? Let's learn about factors of a number. A factor of a number is a whole number that exactly divides a number into equal parts. And therefore, in order to find a factor of a number, we will use the mathematical operation of division. Let's do some examples for you to understand it clearly. Find the factors of 18. We will start by dividing the number by the smallest number, which is 1, and then 2, then 3, and so forth. Let's start. Can we divide 18 by 1? Definitely, and the answer is 18. Next, is 18 divisible by 2? Yes, of course. Because when we divide 18 by 2, the answer is exactly 9. Alright? Let's try 3. How many 3's are there in 18? Correct. There are 6 3's in 18. Next is 4. Can we divide 18 by 4 with no remainder? Nope. Why? Because 18 is not a multiple of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. We have 16 and 20, but not 18. Okay? How about 5? Let's divide 18 by 5. We can't also. Same reason for number 4 a while ago. 18 is not a multiple of 5. Copy that? How about 6? But we already have 6 as a factor. Therefore, we will stop the process here. Hence, the factors of 18 are 1, 18, 2, 9, 3, and 6. Alright? Let's have another one. Same process and steps. How many 1's are there in 30? 30 also. Next is 2. Can we exactly divide 30 by 2? Surely, and the quotient is 15, right? How about if we divide 30 by 3? Correct. There are 10 3's in 30. Is 30 divisible by 4? Nope, because 30 is not a multiple of 4. Can we divide 30 by 5 with no remainder? Yes, and the answer is 6. Next is 6, but we already have 6 as a factor. Hence, we will stop here now. So the factors of 30 are 1, 30, 2, 15, 3, 10, 5, and 6. Alright? That's it. That's the way on how to find factors of a number. We observe a lot of facts about factors. Let's have them one by one. A factor is always smaller or equal to the number itself. Indeed, in our examples for 18 and 30, we didn't see a factor bigger than these numbers. Every whole number has 1 as its smallest factor. Next, the biggest factor of a number is the number itself. For 18, it is 18, and for 30, it is 30. Every number has a limited number of factors. For our examples, 18 has 6 factors. 30 has 8 factors. Every whole number has at least 2 factors. 1 and the whole number itself. Our sixth and last fact about factor is called factor pairs. These are two factors that when multiplied, we will get the number as the product. In our first example, which is 18, 1 times 18 is 18. 2 times 9 is 18 also. And 3 times 6 give us 18 as well. Its factor pairs are 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. So for 18, we have 3 factor pairs. For our second example, which is 30, its factor pairs are 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, and lastly, 5 and 6. It has 4 factor pairs. Alright? Where do we apply the knowledge about factors? Knowing how to find factors of a number could help a lot in the process of simplifying fractions, finding common denominators, finding GCF, greatest common factors, simplifying algebraic expression, and solving algebraic problems. Alright? Before we end this video tutorial, allow me to give you simple exercises to enhance further your knowledge about factors. Type your answers in the comment section so that I could check them later on. Okay? And that's it mga kamatinik. Thanks for watching. Please do like the video and hit the subscribe button. See you all in the next math lesson. Bye bye. God bless. To God be all the glory.